Shenzhen SinoRose Technology Company Limited was founded in 2014, located in Shenzhen, Guangdong. Convenient transportation, beautiful environment. Our company is specialized in good precision CNC machining, sheet metal, plastic injection, 3D printing sales and service. And we have been an Alibaba Gold supplier for 3 years. Products of good quality, widely used in various industries such as mechanical, keyboard, LED lighting, central monitoring, medical equipment, aerospace and sports equipment industry. The parts can be customized with kinds of materials such as aluminum, steel, stainless steel, brass, copper, titanium, and plastic like PC, POM, PEEK, with the surface finish anodizing, electroplating, power coating, chrome plating, nickel plating, etc. In order to ensure the products received by customers are 100% qualified, SinoRose have introduced advanced inspection instruments like height tester, two-dimensional measuring instrument, etc. Due to good quality and excellent service, products are exported to America, Canada, Germany, UK, Israel, Japan, Australia, and have established good business relationships with Germany Siemens, Wahoo Dock, and Forever Oceans as well. SinoRose is committed to innovating and creating values for customers according to their demands. Whether it is design, assembly, or customized packaging, some ideas can be shared by us if needed. SinoRose always put quality and integrity first. Prototypes or trail orders are welcome. Warmly welcome your visiting. SinoRose will be your satisfactory one-stop service partner.